If your computer regularly loses communication with your wireless HP printer, it can help to give the printer a static IP address. This video shows how to assign a static IP address to your HP printer using the Embedded Web Server, or EWS. Note that this option will not be available on some older printers or on some versions of the EWS. In this video, we will use a mouse to select items. If you are using a touchscreen computer, you will tap the selection whenever the video says click. Before you begin, you need to print a network configuration page to get your printer's IP address. Printing a network configuration page varies by printer, so we will not provide those instructions here. Type the IP address into the browser's address bar and then press Enter on your keyboard. When the Embedded Web Server opens, this confirms the printer is on the same network as the computer. Then click the network address, or IP. Click Manual IP, and then click Suggest a Manual IP Address. After the manual IP address populates, click Manual DNS Server. Using the network configuration page you printed, locate the DNS server addresses for your printer. Type the DNS server addresses for your printer into the Manual Preferred DNS Server field and the Manual Alternate DNS Server field. Click Apply. The static IP address is now assigned. Your printer is ready for regular use.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.